Her favorite pastime is her passion for fashion. Past tense because the dream to become a designer is behind her. Some solely console the lonely when upset with them. To mend a broken heart, she'll slowly start to sketch again. The Michael Kors bag was filled with pencils and paper. She drew in the nail salon as I thought I'll eventually date her. Will she associate her artwork with the pain I bring? My fear of commitment is why we remain a fling. Low self-esteem, high maintenance. She'll try my patience while waiting for me to give it the world. My lies and false word has been delivered to girls. Still they live for the silver and pearls. Though the gold in American apparel is what she deserves, but she's embarrassed and careful. She finds inner peace when she occupies her mind. Mama taught her about her quarter life, marry a man who could provide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and this is kae'swae if you're new here. So today I am starting off with this wig. I'm doing another hair review and I'm in a different place. I know, weird. Not even gonna tell you where I am, don't even worry about it. So I have this wig, it's from Amazon. It is short right now, but it came as supposedly I think 18 to 20 inches. Let me grab my phone so I can tell you the specs. BRB. So I'm on Amazon and this is a Yaki texture wig. Let's find it. Here it is. It is a glueless lace front wig, kinky straight, human hair wig with baby hairs pre-plucked. Yeah, Italian Yaki lace front wigs for women, 150 density, Peruvian Remy hair, natural hairline, 18 inches. It's a 13x4 frontal. So this is the entire parting space up until here. It's not that big of a deal to me, but I'd rather a 13x6 like most people would. Anyway, so let's talk about the hair. I will insert a clip right now of the hair when it came on my head. Wig construction. 1, 2, 3 combs in the front, one like in the front middle, 2 on the side, and then 1 in the back. This is supposed to be a 13, I think, by 4 lace frontal. You can see the knots are not bleached. I have this little piece of lace in the back, which I actually like. If I wanted to put the hair in a ponytail, I can. And then the rest of this is all tracks, so let's try it on. What is this? Great. So as you can see, the wig looked like a hot mess. Like, no. I did end up liking the wig a little bit, but honestly, I don't know if it's worth it. I just don't. If I look at this wig right now, it's cute. I cut it so much. But it's cute, it's short. I cut it into like a longish bob and then curled the front, curled a little bit of the back, and it looks fine. Honestly, shedding, it does shed, but it's not insane amounts of hair. Also, I lied, it sheds a lot. This is a lot of hair for me to just run through my hands. That's at least like 5 strands. Bro. So I was about to lie to y'all and tell you it doesn't shed that much. It sheds. It is easy to manipulate. It is not, once you've straightened it, it's not like silky straight. It's not easy to like, it's not silky. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It does have a smell. Don't like the smell. It doesn't smell particularly when you get it, but it smells when you wash it. It smells chemically processed. So I can tell this hair is chemically processed. Does it say that it's unprocessed or Remy? Definitely does. I think that's a lie. Overall, the lace itself, super dense, needs to be plucked. Again, another person who does not like plucking my wigs. It looks okay now because I did pluck and take out baby hairs, but this took a while. I've been wearing this wig for maybe 3 weeks or so. Yeah, about. I got this at the beginning of January, the day after New Year's, and it's the 2nd week of February. I've been wearing it on and off since then. And the lace needs to be plucked, but the coloring is okay. I did tint the lace as well. I don't bleach knots. I have not bleached these knots, but I am getting some wigs coming soon that I will try it out on, so stay tuned for that. And then what else? So shedding, lace, It's big head friendly. I have a big head. It fits me well. And then there's lots of space in the back. I hate that. I can put almost all 5 fingers in that hole of, actually I can put all 5 fingers in that hole between where the wig ends and where my like pulley straps, my adjustable straps in the back are. So if you are someone who has a smaller head than me, I would not suggest this wig. I have a pretty big head / normal sized head. So yeah, but if you have a larger head, I'd say maybe give it a chance, especially because the ear tabs, I did have to cut it a lot. So I feel like that means more surface area for you to have on your head if you have a bigger head or the same size head. If your head's smaller, I wouldn't suggest this. It keeps a curl to an extent, like it'll keep a little bit of a wave, but like anytime I curl this front piece, you can see it's not keeping a curl. So I kind of just have to push it back and position it how I want it. It's not going to keep the curl for too long, but I also did not put in hairspray or anything like that because I am wearing the hair straight and I don't want it to be curly, so I didn't want it to be hard, you know. What else about this hair? It laid pretty well. Let me move up. Obviously, it's not exactly the same color. You can see a little bit of a line of demarcation. I didn't do like all the whistles and whatever, but it ended up looking all right, you know? Overall, I give this wig a 5. Like, if I'm just being honest, a 5 out of 10. I've never had a wig that's a 10 out of 10, but a 5 out of 10 for this one because I had to cut it so much. It is so dense in the actual hair area, which I am not upset about. Most of the hair is like now the right length, but when it came, the ends were so thin and the top was so thick. So you could see like it's pretty thick, right? At the top. It came with these raggedy little ends. And it was just like, no, baby, we don't do that here. So, yeah, let's see. Is there anything else that anyone wants to know about wigs usually? It is a kinky texture. It feels like it does have texture to it. You can blow it out so it's a little bit more straight and then it's still like kinky. I did blow this hair out as well as straighten it with my straightener and a hot comb for the top part to keep it a little flatter. I think it's true to being a 13x4. Yeah, it's like, it's basically 13x4. 18 inches, I don't know. I don't know about that. A lot of people had great reviews on the wig. It's either a hit or a miss. Same for on the website on Amazon. It's either a hit or a miss. Oh, I didn't even say where this wig is from. It's currently unavailable, but it's by this this brand called let me see. It's called RCMEI. RCMEI. So, yeah. That is all I have to really share about this wig. It's chill, it's okay, but it's not great. It does what it needs to do. I'm going to keep it. I will wear it again. I'm not going to lie and act like this is this horrible wig. It's not. I am going to keep it. I'm going to wear it again, etc. I just don't think I would purchase this wig again. And I am very interested in getting another Yaki textured wig or kinky textured wig. I just don't think this would be the one. But, yep, we are done here. If you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button with the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video, which should be... we don't know. We'll see you guys soon.
'Cause if you want me to go, you can be looking the way you do. You can be cooking the way you do.